And overflowing blessings to everyone for our daily verse. We are now at Genesis chapter 24, verse 49 up to 53. Now, please tell me if you are willing to do the right thing for my master. Will you treat him fairly, or do I have to look for another young woman? Laban and Bethuel answered, the Lord has done this. We have no choice in the matter. Take Rebekah with you, and she can marry your master's son, just as the Lord has said. Abraham's servant bowed down and thanked the Lord. Then he gave clothing as well as silver and gold jewelry to Rebekah. He also gave expensive gifts to her brother and her mother. So in this passage, the servant of Abraham already gave gifts to the family of Rebekah and to Rebekah herself. So this is the assurance that the servant of Abraham indeed do the will of Abraham by making the assurance that Rebekah will indeed be the wife of